I timed it perfectly. Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you guys coming along with me. We're just out here riding around. I am actually over here in Roswell. I'm going over to the Mountain Motorsports here in Roswell just to see what they have. I always go to my Buford location, but I just wanted to double check to see what the Roswell location has. I checked some of their pictures and some of the stuff that they have, and seems like they got a pretty big spot. I've never been over here, so we're gonna go check it out and see what they got in regards to inventory. It's gonna be like 65 degrees today or something like that, so it should be a pretty warm day to go ride around and have some fun. So that's what we're gonna do a little bit of exploring before I actually have to go back home. So it'll be pretty fun though. Cool, bro, nice job. They say, and they have the nerve to say motorcyclists are reckless. Come on, man. Come on, man. And they talk about we are reckless. Bruh. There we go. Yes, sir. We have arrived. Well, now I am all done over here at Mountain Motorsports in Roswell. Got a really nice inventory, and I ran into somebody over here. Uh-oh. So that's cool. We got these bikes lined up. I got a picture with him too. So that'll be fun. But I'm gonna head out. He's gonna do his thing. I'm gonna head out, do a little bit more riding, and gonna have some fun with it, man. See you guys. Woo! So much fun. Came out here. I timed it perfectly. I timed it perfectly. I was not actually meant to do that, but I was actually here when he was here, so that's a good thing. So yeah, it was a chance to run into with Chase. Like I said, that was cool. I was not expecting that, but that was fun. But the Roswell location, man, they've got a lot of nice inventory though. I ain't gonna lie, I thought that Buford has some nice ones too, but man, I didn't see the amount of, like, I think the one brand that they had here that they didn't have at the other spot is like Ducati. They had like Ducatis everywhere here at the Roswell location, so I'm not sure if it's if those bikes are sent to specific locations for market reasons. Maybe over here there's a market for that, not sure, but still though, it's like, man, it's ridiculous, man. Alright, I'll get around this guy. Woohoo! This bike though, that Mode 1 is killer. But now I'm just gonna go out and just gonna do a little bit of riding around, have a little bit of fun, and then it'll be pretty much time to go back to the house. But for now, I'm gonna have some fun, gonna relax, enjoy my time riding. Super nice weather today. It's like I said, it's currently 64. So yeah, I mean, this for essentially December, yeah, it's very, very nice weather that we're having. So totally digging that. Gotta take advantage of that. Again, I must reiterate, man, like I love the riding community, dude. Like the amount of like camaraderie you have, the amount of times that I've gone up to Blood Mountain, and I haven't put it on video, where we just shoot the breeze, man. Like we're literally like complete strangers, and because we have the common ground of riding motorcycles, we just, hey, we get into all sorts of conversations about, obviously about bikes, and predominantly about bikes, but sometimes we get into the weeds, and we get to really know each other, even in that short window of time, man. So that's why I love the riding community. That's why I love riding, on top of riding this beautiful 2021 MT-09 SP, and doing videos for you using my Hero 10, and of course not possible without chin mounts. So if you haven't gotten one, go ahead and go get you one. What are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that link that I put in the description and use my promo code YANTO to get you that 10%. But yes, I love the riding community, and in Georgia, I'm lucky enough to have a lot of people who actually ride, and a lot of content creators like myself that are in the area. And so it helps kind of drive people's attention to motorcycles and keeps attention on the motorcycles or the riding community. And so I love it that I'm surrounded by a good market in regards to a lot of content creators are located here or near Georgia. And so that's really, really awesome, man. Like I completely love that. And so you run into all sorts of people, you run into all sorts of content creators, you run into photographers all the time that you would friend on Instagram or stuff like that. And so to me, man, that's awesome right there. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up today's video. I appreciate it. Just a little fun running around out here, but this is your first time, I appreciate it. Go ahead and click on the sub, go ahead and like it, go ahead and share this content out to everybody, and go ahead and leave me a comment so I know what you like. See you guys in the next one.